Vi anbefaler derfor, at EU håndhæver sine konkurrenceregler i mediesektoren strengere for at beskytte medierne.
So wollen wir zum Beispiel eine nachhaltige, nicht invasive, faire und gerechte Landwirtschaft.
These are just 2 of 90 recommendations made by the European Citizens Panels on Democracy, Values and Rights and Environment, Climate and Health, all part of the Conference on the Future of Europe. 40 representatives from these 2 panels championed their recommendations at the conference plenary. Their ideas are the fruit of 6 weekends' work, dozens of grassroots events, and thousands of ideas posted online.
I'm wearing a thin mask to talk today because of COVID, but I don't want future generations to wear a gas mask to protect themselves from pollution because capable institutions couldn't be bothered to take actions when they could.
Joining them for the debates were members of the European and national parliaments, EU institutions, trades unions and other stakeholders.
Avete letto le raccomandazioni e ci state ascoltando nei gruppi di lavoro. Avete il potere e conoscete quali strumenti utilizzare per dare seguito alle nostre raccomandazioni. Vi chiediamo di usarli e di non sprecare questa occasione.
It's based on these recommendations that we need to formulate proposals and conclusions for the conference.
The 2 final meetings of the European Citizens Panels will be held in Dublin and Maastricht in February. The plenary will take all panels' recommendations and prepare proposals for the future of Europe.